Hi everyone, today I came up with a new video and this video will be the most awaited video for you guys because today I'm going to initialize a micro-frontend with the most recent version of Create Single Spa, which is 5.08. Before diving into the video guys, I wanted to show you something. As you can see, most of the people still haven't subscribed my channel yet. So appreciate if you guys can subscribe, like, share my videos, and if you have any question, let me know in the comment section. Whenever I got a time, I will reply and help you out to sort out your problems. So now I think we can move to our coding part. So first thing I wanted to show is the version I have currently in my local machine. So first check the node version. Currently I have 22.14.0 and the npm version is 11.2.0, and finally create single spa version 5.08. Let's check that one as well. Here you can see I have the latest version of create single spa, which is 5.08. Okay, now I think we can initialize our micro-frontends. So the command will be npx create single spa. So first I am going to initialize my root micro-frontend. So I will give as the directory of project as root mfv, right? And this will be the single spa root config, the type of the application, and I'm going to use the package manager as npm. And no, I'm not going to use TypeScript, so I will give n. And the layout engine, yes. Organization name, I give nv. Okay, now you can see it's getting installed our all dependencies in our root micro-frontend application. Sometimes we can get this error, so in order to fix this, we need to manually run this npm install command in our root micro-frontend. So in order to do that, we can navigate to our root micro-frontend first, cd. So after that, you need to give this npm install command like this. Okay, now all of the dependencies for the root micro-frontend have installed without problem, and now I wanted to verify whether my root micro-frontend is working properly. So how we can do that? So first of all, we need to navigate to this package.json, and here you should see there is an npm command called the start, right? So let me run this command. So if you run this command, we should see the welcome page. So how we can see this welcome page? If we go to the index.ejs, here you should see this is the application name actually, and here this application has attached with the cd, right? And also if you go to the layout.html, you can see there's an application defined. The name is given as single spa slash welcome. So if we navigate to the localhost 9000, actually we should see this welcome page. And also another thing guys, in packages you can see the port as given as 9000. Now our road micro frontend is up and running. Let's check in the browser. So the port will be the localhost 9000, and now we should see the welcome page. Okay, here it is. We can see our welcome page. Now I'm going to initialize another micro frontend, so that's going to be the home micro frontend. So first of all, let's clear our terminal. The command will be npx create single spa, and I'm give the directory for this micro frontend as home mfv, and this is going to be the single spa application. And here I select the framework as react, and here the package manager I give as npm. And no, I'm not going to use the TypeScript. And this is the important thing. So this time I'm giving as the bundler as ESM, not system.js. the ESM is the bundle I am going to give this, right? And organization name, the same name we should give, that will be the code env. And project name again, that will be the home mfe. Now you can see our dependencies are getting installing. Cool. Installation part has completed for our home micro frontend now. But I need to do some modification in home micro frontend. So let's see what are they. First of all, I am going to assign new port for my home micro frontend. So this will be port 9001, because as you remember, in our root micro frontend, port was 9000 here. For root micro frontend, port was 9000. So for particular micro frontend, since we can't give the same port, we need to give a different port for each micro frontend. So that's why I assign 9001 for our home micro frontend. Let's again navigate to our root micro frontend, src, and index.ejs. So here I need to link my home micro frontend through the import maps. So here the project name will be home mfe, and port I'm going to modify as 9001, and the entry file should be code env home -mfejs. Let's move to the micro-frontend layout.html. So here, actually, I'm going to change this as for my home micro-frontend. So what I need to do is, when I navigate to localhost 9000, I need to see the home application. To do that, let's change our application name, right? This is the application name actually. So now when we navigate to localhost 9000, we should see the home micro frontend content, right? So if we go to the again home micro frontend, root component.js, you can see this test should be visible when we navigate to the localhost 9000. And here actually props name, it giving us this application name. It's like slash code env slash home is mounted like that. We should see the test after we navigate to that. So let's see whether it's working or not. So first let's run our home micro frontend, and also we need to run our root micro frontend as well. So you can see in the right side of my terminal, the webpack servers are going to be started. Okay, now you can see both of my micro frontends are up and running. So let's see in our browser. So port will be localhost 9000. Okay, the first error we are getting is fail to resolve module specify React, right? So how we can fix that? So solution for this one is, again we need to go to our root micro frontend, index.ejs, and to fix that, I added this React along with the React CDN, right? So let's see in the browser again. So if we need to stop our root micro frontend and let's restart. Now we are seeing another issue, fail to resolve module specify React DOM/client. So in order to fix that, the same as React, we need to add the React DOM client CDN in our index.ejs inside our import maps, right? Okay, I added my React DOM client CDN like this. And again, we need to stop our root micro frontend and let's restart again. Seems like it's not still working properly as we expected. Let's see what is the error now. Okay, the error is type error dispatcher get owner is not a function. So the same error actually we got in 5.07 as well. So I thought with this latest release, this issue will be fixed, but actually it's not, right? But without waiting their fix, I personally involve myself to finding solution for this issue because at least we can't spinning up our local environment with this issue. You can see we can only see a white screen, right? So after experimenting 2 3 days, actually I was able to find a small solution, spin up our local environment without any problem. So let's see how we can do that. Okay, go to your home micro-frontend directory again and package JSON, right? So the fix will be we need to add this mode production in our start command, right? So let's stop our home micro-frontend and let's start again. Okay, now let's see in our browser. Okay, cool. You can see now our home micro-frontend is mounted and let's do some change in our home micro-frontend. Let's go to the root component and remove this props name is mounted. Instead of that, let's add hello. Now we should see hello in our browser. Yeah, it is, right? So this is the fix, guys. So let me know if you have any question regarding this. And also when you mention the error, please include the node version as well. So because I also wanted to see what kind of environment we are getting this error. So that's it for this video, guys, and make sure to subscribe, like, share my videos, and if you have any question, please let me know in the comment section. I always try to help you and sort out your problem as soon as I got a time. So thank you, guys. See you in the next video.